Good morning from chilly SoCal. I was going to say chilly and sunny. It's not sunny, it's just chilly. So here is the latest appropriation, which is a 1986 with title Yamaha CE50, which is a 49cc scooter. And in a little bit rough shape, but I don't have to get her running anytime soon, and I got her for a song. She's here. She has compression. She's not locked up. I'm not saying she'll start, but she's not locked up, which is good. That's all I ask the guy: is it seized? If it's seized, I don't want to mess with it. Probably. If she spins over, I'll take it because I know not much about mechanics. I barely know anything about motorized bikes or mini bikes. My first build was a two-stroke. My first motorcycle was a two-stroke way back in the day. I hate to tell you how long ago. This thing was last registered in '95. I actually have the pink slip. It is 86. And one thing I know about these things, any kind of little combustion engine, is it needs three things to run, which is compression, which it has, oil and air mixture, and ignition at the right time, spark at the right time. And I know that of the three, electrical is always the weakest, the hardest to obtain. But, no rush on this to get her going. And there's a lot going on here. I need a ignition, but I can hotwire it. It's mine, so it's not illegal, right? A lot of stuff is loose, but a lot of stuff is here too. Seat, gas tank, oil injector. Hey, what happened to the battery? You're gonna tell me for 50 bucks there's no battery? Come on, man. But anyway, so she's a project, so I'm gonna, like basics, right? Tires are cracked, but I'm gonna see if I can put air in the tires so I can roll it around. And the handle here is loose. So let me get her so that I can at least push her around the driveway, and then I will see if I can get her running. Alrighty, here we go. On to the next project. OG Big T out of here.